Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Chevy Impala key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Having your owner's manual nearby can also be helpful for any specific details. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership, taking only a few minutes of your time. To begin, ensure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed and securely latched. Next, insert a working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold the unlock button located on the driver's side door panel. This action prepares your vehicle for the next crucial step in the programming sequence. While still holding the driver's door unlock button, turn the ignition key to the off position, then immediately to on, and repeat this sequence one more time. You will turn it off then on twice. Now, release the unlock button. Your vehicle will chime once, confirming it has entered programming mode. For each key fob, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons together for about 15 seconds. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position. Remove the key from the ignition and then open the driver's door. This action signals to the vehicle that the programming sequence is complete. Finally, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they all function correctly with your vehicle's locking and unlocking features. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.